Now we will tell Uwe to configure the project with a specific version of Python. So before that, I need to remind you some terminal commands. So for instance, if you have things and you want to clean your terminal, you just type clear, enter, okay? And then you have also another set of commands which is to stop an execution of a program. For instance, if you have some code in the terminal or also in the agent panel that's running and you want to stop it because you see it takes too much time, for instance, or it produces some very heavy warning, you type Ctrl C and that will stop the execution.